In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your monthly surplus in Origin Financial. Let's get started. To check your monthly surplus, go to the Spending section from the left side menu, then open the Breakdown tab. This area helps you compare your income and expenses so you can understand how much money you have left over each month. Inside the Breakdown section, look for the Expenses category to view your total spending for the current month so far. This includes purchases, bills, subscriptions, and other tracked expenses connected to your accounts. To compare different months, use the Month drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select a previous month to review and compare your spending totals over time. By comparing your monthly income with your total expenses, you can estimate your monthly surplus and track whether you're saving more or spending more each month. It is also important to know that transfers between your own accounts are not counted as income or expenses in Origin Financial. Because of that, moving money between linked accounts will not affect your monthly surplus calculations. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.